you see in the background is the final climb of this race. It's super steep, long, and it's going to be challenging.
Well, I can't believe it, I won it 6 times.
This is the biggest race that you can win.
So just how powerful is an F1 turbocharger? Well, it could inflate 600 balloons in 60 seconds. It's the perfect gadget for weddings, parties, and any other event with a $7 million budget.
I'm Mar Marquez.
Welcome to the Circuit of Americas.
Welcome to the Monaco Grand Prix circuit.
It obviously felt quite special to be the first guy to ever do a lap to the Mexican circuit.
People have described it as, you know, riding a bicycle through a supermarket.
You're turning to the left all the way, and then you go onto the main straight again, and that's a lap in Monaco.
Rock solid flip.
Difficult one for him, Michael Malero.
Oh
my goodness!
No-handed front flip out of Malero.
No-handed front flip, unbelievable.